Okay, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Yesterday class, variance, mean variance and standard deviation. Mean variance and standard deviation. The mean variance and standard deviation by the ungrouped data, grouped data. Okay, first ungrouped data. Ungrouped data only observations are given. What is the mean formula in what is the mean formula? Mean variance and standard deviation. The standard deviation variance both is similar because variance is sigma square, standard deviation is sigma. So root of variance is equal to the standard deviation. So standard deviation did not calculate this separately, okay. So ungrouped data only frequencies are given. So what is the ungrouped data? Ungrouped data means x1 comma x2 and so on xn. What is the x bar formula? Sigma xi by n, and sum of the observations by number of observations. So what is the variance formula? Variance is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square by n. This is ungrouped data, only single method. So grouped data discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distributions only given observations and frequencies. So what is the mean formula? Mean x bar is equal to sigma fi into xi by capital N. What is the capital N? Sum of the frequencies. So what is the variance? Variance sigma square is equal to sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square by capital N. Next, what is the continuous frequency distribution? Continuous frequency distribution. Continuous frequency distribution, what is the x bar formula? Same, x bar is equal to sigma fi into xi by capital N. Same, variance denoted by sigma square is equal to sigma same fi into xi minus x bar by capital N whole square by capital N. So what difference? Mean difference. Here mean is fi into xi, here also fi into xi, here xi is directly given. In continuous frequency distribution there is no direct did not given the directly, okay. So they did not given directly. So what is the fi xi is the midpoints of the interval. This is the procedure. So go to the problems. First problem, find mean and variance for each of the data. Exercise 15.2. Exercise 15.2. For the first problem, find mean and variance of the following data. Find mean and variance of the following data. What is the given data? First one, 6, 7, 12. So 6, 7, 12. 6, 7, 12. 10 6, 10, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. This is the grouped data or ungrouped data? This is ungrouped data because only observations are given. Only observation group data, first of all, mean. Mean means first to find out mean. Mean is equal to x bar. X bar is equal to sigma xi by no formula. Sigma xi by no. So 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 by n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. The totally 72. 72 by 8 is equal to 9. X bar is 9. So, variance. Variance formula, sigma square is equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole square. I is equal to 1 to 8 by small n. This is the variance formula. So, xi minus x bar means, so we have to draw the table. xi minus x bar, not modulus directly, because xi minus x bar whole square, this one, xi 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. xi minus x bar. X bar is equal to 9. 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. 7 minus 9 minus 2. 10 minus 1, 1. 12 minus 9, 3, 4. 4 minus 9 minus 5. 8 minus 9 minus 1. 12 minus 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. xi minus x bar whole square, this is square. Minus 3, 9, minus 2, 4, 1, 9, 16, 25, 1, 9. The total xi minus x bar is totally 74. So, finally, variance. Variance is equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole square value 74. 74 by totally 8. N is equal to 8. 74 by 8 is equal to value 8.25. This is directly given the observation. Observations are given directly. Observations are given directly. This is one. Next. Next, third problem is first 10 multiples of 3. First 10 multiples of 3. First 10 multiple of 3 means multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3, 6, multiple of 3. First n observations are. The given observations are is indirectly given. What is the condition? Multiple of first to 10 multiple of 3. So 3 into 1, 3, third table. 3, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one, same as it is. Mean is equal to x bar, same as it is procedure. Multiple of 3, multiple of 4, first n natural number, first 10 natural number. First 10 natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on 10. First 10 even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 this time. First 10 odd numbers, first n prime numbers. This is the given data indirectly. So first we have to write observations. Next procedure, same procedure. X bar is equal to sigma xi by n. variance, say same procedure, this one. Okay, we have to homework. Next one. Next, second problem is, first n natural numbers. First find mean and variance of the first n natural number. First n natural numbers. Find variance, mean variance of data. What is the given data? First n natural number. First n natural numbers is not it is infinite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6 and so on n. The first 10 natural numbers means, okay, this is the procedure, the first problem, same as the first problem. So first n natural numbers means there is a last number, infinity. So this type of problems already discussed some formulas. Sum of the natural numbers, sigma n, sum of the natural numbers. So natural number means what? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on n. So this is xn. Okay, xn. So sum of the natural numbers, sigma I is equal to 1 to n, xi, I is equal to x1 is equal to what? 1, x2 is equal to 2, x3 3, x1 and so on, I is equal to 1. Formula, sum of the first n natural number, formula, sum of the first n natural number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on plus n. Formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Same, sum of the squares of natural numbers. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square. Sum of the n natural numbers formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of the first n natural numbers formula. So this is, remember that. Okay. For example, what is the mean? First mean formula x bar is equal to sigma xi by n, I is equal to 1 to n. Sigma n xi formula, see, mean formula, what is the mean formula? Sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi by n small n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to I, xi is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 by n means n. So n cancel, n plus 1 by 2. This is the mean. Okay. Next, variance. Variance sigma square. Sigma square is equal to, variance is formula sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square by n. So 1 by n separate, sigma I is equal to 1 to n a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square. Here a is equal to xi, b is equal to x bar. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So that is equal to 1 by 1 by n into separate sigma, apply the sigma xi square, next plus sigma x bar whole square, I is equal to 1 to n, I is equal to 1 to n, sigma a plus b plus c is equal to sigma a plus sigma b plus sigma c minus sigma c. Okay, next minus sigma I is equal to 1 to n 2xi into x bar. So again 1 by n into sigma xi square. The x bar is a constant. X bar value, this is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So sigma xi square plus x bar constant to x bar whole square into sigma I is equal to 1 to n 1 minus 2 constant to x bar constant to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi. Listen carefully once again. Xi square value is there, xi value is there, xi square value is there. So x bar value is there, x bar value. So x bar is a constant. So 1 by n no sigma xi square x bar whole square comma separate from the sigma I is equal to 1 to n 1 minus 2 constant to x bar is separate. So sigma I is equal to 1 to n into xi. Okay, this is one. Next. So that is equal to that one. That is equal to 1 by n into sigma xi square. Sigma xi square formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. The continuation of the last one continuation. 1 by n, the place is not sufficient. So that's why continue from here. Sigma xi square is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 more plus x bar. X bar is x bar formula n plus 1 whole square. X bar square is equal to n plus 1 by 2 whole square into sigma 1. Sigma 1 is equal to n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n. 1 means 1 how many times? N times. 1 no, 2 times we have to add. We had ones 2 times, adding the ones 2 times. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Adding ones 3 times, 3. 4 times, 1 plus 1 4 times. Adding 1 n times means n. So sigma 1 is equal to n. Next minus 2 into x bar value n plus 1 by 2. X bar value 2 into last one here. This is 1 by n, sigma xi square formula n into n plus 1 by 2 n plus 1 by 6 plus x bar whole square. X bar is equal to n plus 1 by 2. So n plus 1 whole square into sigma 1. Sigma 1 means adding 1 n times. Adding 1 n times means 4 times. Adding 1 4 times means 4. 10 times means 10. N times means n. Minus 2 into x bar. X bar is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into sigma xi. Sigma xi is equal to what? Sigma xi n into n plus 1 by 2. This one. Okay, clear? Next. n common 1 by n into n common n plus 1 n common 1 by n into n here n common means remaining n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 n already common plus n plus 1 whole square by 4 n plus 1 whole square by 2 square 4 minus 2 into n plus 1 whole square by 4 This is n plus 1 by 6. So 4, 6 LCM. So 4 ones, 4 ones, 6. Next 2 3s. 24. అదే 4 2 6. 4 2 6 means 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 3s. 12 LCM. So 1 2 cancel, 2 1s, 2 2 cancel. So that is equal to 2. What is LCM? 6 4 2 LCM. 6 4 2 LCM, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 3s. 4 12. Totally n cancel. Okay, n cancel. Totally LCM is 12 is LCM. So this is 6. So 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 3 into n plus 1 whole square minus 6 into n plus 1 whole square. Finally, two into this is answer. Next to 2 into n plus 1, that is equal to n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 3n plus 1 whole square minus 6n plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 6 minus 3 n plus 1 whole square by 12. Okay, next the answer enough. This is the answer. Or something, this one 2 into n plus 1 common, n plus 1 common, 2 into 2n plus 1, n plus 1 by 12. Okay, n plus 1 by 12 means 2 into 2n plus 1 no, minus 3 into n plus 1. So that is equal to n plus 1 by 12 into 2 into 2n 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3. Okay, n plus 1 common, 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 3 into n plus 1, 2 into n 4n plus 2, this one. So that is equal to n plus 1 by 12 into 4n minus 3n n plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 3 and minus 1. So that is equal to n plus 1 into n minus 1 by 12 or n square minus 1 by 12. This is the final answer. A simple calculation. This is the answer. So finally this is sigma square. Hence mean x bar is equal to n plus 1 by 2 and variance sigma square is equal to n square minus 1 by 12. This is the first today 3 problem exercise 15.2. 3 problems are completed. First problem directly observations are given, find the mean and variation, and second problem is the infinite series. This is finite series, infinite. This is infinite series. Find n natural numbers. Find n natural numbers means 1 2 3 and so on n. So mean sigma xi means the x1 x2 x3 and so on. Sum of the natural numbers formula. This is fundamental formula. N into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the squares of natural number formula. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus in the mathematical induction. Already discussed in mathematical induction. Okay. So mean sigma xi by n, sigma xi is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This already n is there by n cancel. This is mean. And variance formula, sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square by n, that is equal to 1 by n separate sigma, this is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square separate sigma, this is 3 terms, apply the each one sigma application. So sigma xi square, sigma x bar whole square minus sigma 2 into xi minus x bar. So 1 by n into sigma xi square, I is equal to 1 to n, plus x bar already value is there, this means constant. So x bar separate from the sigma xi square into, this is xi square common means remaining 1, sigma 1 is equal to n, because sigma I is equal to 1 to 10 1, sigma 1 I is equal to 1 to 10 means 10, because adding ones 2 times means 2, 3 times once 3 times, 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So the ones adding n times means n. Okay. So I is equal to 1 to 10 1 10, I is equal to 1 to n 1 n. Once how many times we have to adding that value, how many times, n times that value is n. So this one. So 2 into x bar, already x bar value is there, 2 constant to sigma xi. So that last continuation, this 1 by n into sigma xi square formula, n into n plus 1 by 2 n plus 1 by 6 plus sigma x bar whole square, x bar is equal to what at x bar, n plus 1 by 2 whole square means n square, sigma 1 is equal to n minus 2 into x bar is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into sigma xi value n into n plus 1 by 2. So common, n here 3 terms have n, so n common, so remaining n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n plus 1 whole square by 4 minus 2 to cancel, n plus 1 into n plus 1 whole square by 1 to cancel, the remaining 2. So multiply LCM 6 4 2, 6 4, the LCM of 6 4 2 is equal to 12. So 6 is there, so 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 3 into n plus 1 whole square minus 6, so 2 into 6 12. So 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, the plus 3 n plus 1 whole square minus 6 n plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. So in the denominator 12 plus numerator from common from n plus 1 by 12, so remaining 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 3 into n plus 1, so 2 into 2 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3, so n minus 1, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square by 12. So mean variance. So ungrouped data completed, ungrouped data find mean, variance and standard deviation, ungrouped data completed. Tomorrow I will discuss the grouped data. Okay, thank you.